So, ayun, solve muna natin. 4x squared minus y squared equals to 36. Kasi nahanap yung second derivative. First things first, hanapin muna natin yung value ng y. So, simplification, y is equals to, lilipat natin 36, tas ganun din, 8y squared, tas square root, all over 8, tas square root. So, 4x squared minus 36 over 8. Tapos, dahil naka-square yan, square root. Then, substitute. Y is equals to 4 square root of 14 over 2, or approximately 1.87. So, pwede tayong proceed sa first derivative. So, 4x squared minus 8y squared is equals to 36. Pwede pa natin siyang ma-simplify by dividing both sides by 4. So, x squared minus 2y squared is equals to 9. Then, pagbukurin natin yung x at y. So, magiging x squared minus 9 is equals to 2y squared. Then, by implicit differentiation, magiging 2x, tas constant yan, magiging 0, tas 4y, y prime. Then, para makuha yung y prime, hihiwalay lang natin yung 4y. Then, simplifying further, meron tayong 1 over 2, 1x over 2y. So, since pwede rin natin kunin yung value ng y prime, kasi may y naman tayo at may x. So, 1 times 4 over 2 times 1.87, approximately 1.0695 yung value ng y prime. And getting the second derivative, or y prime prime, ganun. So, kunin na natin itong y prime, x over 2y, tapos derive natin, get the over second derivative, quotient rule. So, y prime prime is equals to v squared tapos v du minus u dv. So, ito yung v natin. Ito naman yung u. So, v squared is equals to 4y squared. Tapos, yung v natin, which is yung 2y, multiply natin sa derivative ng x, which is 1. Then, ima-minus natin siya sa product ng x and then derivative ng 2y, which is 2y prime. So, simplifying, tayong 2y minus x 2xy prime over 4y squared. And since nakuha na natin yung y prime, 1.0695, pwede natin yan i-compute. 2 times 1.87 minus 2 times 4 times 1.0695 over 4, 1.87 squared. So, approximately, syempre, meron tayong mga mga ni-round off. So, ito yung sagot. Y is equals to 3, 4, negative, sorry, negative 0.3443. So, it's almost the same sa real answer. Pero may natuklasan din ako na shortcut para dito. So, ganito siya. Ilalagay natin yung ito. Siya yun. Ito. Yan. Square root of 4x squared minus 36 all over 8 tapos 4. Save natin to sa A. Tapos, since ang nature ng derivative ay difference or change of, rate of change, so maglalagay lang tayo ng ganito. Yan. Kasi like kahit little change lang. So yan yung nakuha natin, no? So answer minus yung A, tapos yung little change na nilagay ko, yun, nag-arrive pa rin tayo sa same na sagot. So, be careful lang sa decimal kapag ginamit ito. Basta kung ano lang dinagdag nyo, yun yung magiging denominator. So, try nyo solve.